Question number 1. Which element has the highest electronegativity? Option A hydrogen, B oxygen, C fluorine, D chlorine. The correct option is option C fluorine. Question number 2. What is the molar mass of water? Option A 16 gram per mole, B 18 gram per mole, C 20 gram per mole, D 22 gram per mole. The correct option is option B 18 gram per mole. Question number 3. What is the chemical formula for table salt? Option A NaCl, B KCl, C NaBr, D KBr. The correct option is option A NaCl. Question number 4. Which of the following is an alkali metal? Option A magnesium, B calcium, C sodium, D aluminium. The correct option is option C sodium. Question number 5. What is the pH of neutral solution at 25 degrees Celsius? Option A 0, B 7, C 14, D 10. The correct option is option B 7. Question number 6. Which of these elements is a noble gas? Option A nitrogen, B oxygen, C neon, D hydrogen. The correct option is option C neon. Question number 7. Which type of bond is formed when electrons are shared between atoms? Option A ionic, B covalent, C metallic, D hydrogen. The correct option is option B covalent. Question number 8. What is the main component of natural gas? Option A ethane, B propane, C methane, D butane. The correct option is option C methane. Question number 9. Which of the following is a strong acid? Option A HCl, B H2O, C NH3, D CH3COOH. The correct option is option A HCl. Question number 10. What is the oxidation state of sulfur in H2SO4? Option A +2, B +4, C +6, D -2. The correct option is option C +6. Question number 11. Which of the following is an exothermic process? Option A melting ice, B boiling water, C combustion of gasoline, D evaporation of alcohol. The correct option is option C combustion of gasoline. Question number 12. What is the common name for H2O2? Option A water, B hydrogen peroxide, C hydrogen hydroxide, D hydrogen monoxide. The correct option is option B hydrogen peroxide. Question number 13. In the periodic table, which period contains the element potassium? Option A 2, B 3, C 4, D 5. The correct option is option C 4. Question number 14. Which of the following compound is ionic? Option A CO2, B NH3, C Na2O, D CH4. The correct option is option C Na2O. Question number 15. What is the electron configuration of a chlorine atom? Option A 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. B 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. C 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p4. D 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1, 3p6. The correct option is option B 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. Question number 16. What is the ideal gas law equation? Option A PV is equal to nRT, B P divided by T is equal to V divided by I, C PV is equal to NR divided by T, D. Pt is equal to Nv divided by R. The correct option is option A. Pv is equal to nRT. Question number 17. Which element is represented by the symbol Fe? Option A. Fluorine. B. Iron. C. Francium. D. Premium. The correct option is option A. Fluorine. Question number 18. What is the primary compound of limestone? Option A. CaCO3. B. NHCO3. C. CaO. D. CaCO4. The correct option is option A. CaCO3. Question number 19. Which of the following is a polar molecule? Option A. CH4. B. CO2. C. H2O. D. CCl4. The correct option is option C. H2O. Question number 20. What is the charge on the phosphate ion? Option A. -1. B. -2. C. -3. D. -4. The correct option is option C. -3. Question number 21. What type of reaction is 2H2 plus O2? 2H2O. Option A. Synthesis. B. Decomposition. C. Single displacement. D. Double displacement. The correct option is option A. Synthesis. Question number 22. Which of the following elements is a halogen? Option A. Argon. B. Xenon. C. Bromine. D. Neon. The correct option is option C. Bromine. Question number 23. What is the Avogadro number? Option A. 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. B. 3.14 into 10 raised to power 22. C. 9.81 into 10 raised to power 24. D. 1.6 into 10 raised to power 26. The correct option is option A. 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. Question number 24. What is the main gas found in Earth's atmosphere? Option A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Argon. The correct option is option B. Nitrogen. Question number 25. What is the formula for calculating molarity? Option A. Moles absolute divided by volume of solution. B. Volume absolute divided by mole of solvent. C. Mole of solvent divided by volume absolute. D. Volume of solution divided by mole absolute. The correct option is option A. Mole absolute divided by volume of solution. Question number 26. Which type of hybridization occurs in methane? Option A. sp. B. sp2. C. sp3. D. dsp2. The correct option is option C. sp3. Question number 27. What is the main use of the Haber process? Option A. Producing sulfuric acid. B. Producing ammonia. C. Producing methanol. D. Producing ethanol. The correct option is option B. Producing ammonia. Question number 28. Which of the following is not a transition metal? Option A. Copper. B. Iron. C. Zinc. D. Aluminium. The correct option is option D. Aluminium. Question number 29. Which gas is commonly used in light bulbs? Option A. Helium. B. Neon. C. Argon. D. Krypton. The correct option is option C. Argon. Question number 30. What is the chemical name for baking soda? Option A. Sodium carbonate. B. Sodium bicarbonate. C. Calcium carbonate. D. Calcium bicarbonate. The correct option is option B. Sodium bicarbonate.